I don't like putting heavy makeup, and I feel natural beauty is the best thing that you can carry and you can just show off. This is how I do it. Hello friends, thank you so much for being the 20k subscriber family to my channel. Doing a makeup video that is completely fresh. I'll just keep it simple, as much simple I can. So this is the face tissue, so that I can show you there is no makeup on my face. You see, there's nothing, if you're able to see. So the video is completely shoot in front of the sunlight, so that I can show you there is no filter, nothing. I'll just keep it simple, nothing else. So first what I do, I'll just use this moisturizing cream. I use this of the Clinique moisturizing cream. This is one of the favorite moisturizing cream I have been using since long time. It is quite expensive, but it's worth it. You can just have a try. I'll just link down the product as well if you want to get it. A little bit here. This is how I moisturize my skin. I have the night cream as well, which I wear in the night time, and this is the day cream. So first, moisturizing is important so that it hydrates your skin and it looks fresh. Yeah, moisturizing is done. Second, I used the sunscreen. The second important product that you must use, whether you are going outside or whether you are inside your home. This is very important. It protects your skin from dust, from sunlight. This is the Clinique. It is also quite expensive, but as it's worth it. I have been using this since long time. So I just put all over my skin. This is how I do. You need to cover every bit of your face. It's not covering the eye portion, just I'm just putting around the surface of my face and all around. So if you see, this is also very absorbing. It absorbs in the skin very well. See, wrist. Don't leave your neck part as well. I think this already started giving a shine to my face, and you see, right? It's a very glowy, dewy kind of sunscreen it is, and so I think I'll never change the sunscreen and moisturizer ever. Yeah. So my sunscreen and moisturizer is done. Sometimes I use this concealer that is also in one of my previous video I've shown. This is of Maybelline, and it's medium 25 number, if you see. Yeah, I just put on my this portion, that's it. Yeah, here. That's it. And I'm sorted. I don't use any sponge, I don't like it. I just tap with my fingers itself. It does the work. I think fingers are the best to work with. Also come up with some eyeshadow videos, different eyeshadow videos, because I have a lot of palettes I've been using. There are some glitters, matte finish, and many more. If you see, my covering is done and I'm sorted. Next, what I do, I'll just use the mascara, and I'm using this Lashes Sensational Waterproof of Maybelline. I'm using this. Just put on the mascara. That's it. Wow, I really love this mascara. I'm sorry for the background music. My baby, my family, she's watching TV. Sorry for the background songs, whatever is going on. Is it okay? Do I look good? Guys, please keep commenting on my videos so that it motivates me also what more videos you want to see. Comment me below so that I come up with those kind of videos which you like. Next I'm using, so this was one of the lip liner and I'm using, okay, so this is of Mars. So I use most of the product of Mars because they come up with very good ranges of colors, shades, and also the pigmentation are very good. So I am using this lip liner, just lining at the what I do. My lip liner is done. I'm just lining up a little bit, nothing more. And I'm using this Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. This is one of the most favorite lipstick of Alia Bhatt. She has been using in her wedding, so I also got one for me. And it's a really beautiful color. It gives this nude effect. So there are two range of color. One is for the medium skin and one is for the fair skin, and I'm using for the medium one. And I do this way. Also I do this way. I am sorted. What I do nothing. If you want to do contouring, the lipstick works well because the color is also of the contour color. Just a little bit if you want it. Otherwise, it's good to go. Just like that. And if I go out for a day out, the gloss is very important for me. It's an important part of NYX gloss I'm using. And if you want to see any kind of mixing that I do on my shorts, I'll definitely try to wear and show you. I think this looks so good. And yes, I'm ready for the day outing. This is my simple makeup look that I do usually, and I don't like putting heavy makeup, and I feel natural beauty is the best thing that you can carry and you can just show off. This is how I do it. Thank you for watching.